So walking this way, we are walking into town.
Traditional horse carriages, as you can see that they still exist and we can use to make a tour of the town. This is the other part of the square, which is the cricket field. Cricket, British sport, which is still played in Corfu, imported by the British that they took over the island in the year 1814 until 1864, as I said before, on the bus. I forgot to show you the garden, which is next to the statue of Matthias von Schulenburg. It is the garden with the tall...
I don't know if you can see, but across the street there is a horse and buggy carriage. You can also use those to tour the city as well.
But it's been many years and it's dedicated as well.
They do have plenty of taxis here waiting. So in case you're trying to get somewhere, there's plenty of taxis available, so you can go via taxi or you can go via horse and carriage. So this tour did offer waters on the bus, since it is a walking tour. In case you will need water throughout the day, they did offer free bottles of water. And at 12:30 we will have lunch, and the lunch is also included in this tour. They do have a little shop for snacks.
Alright everybody, so we're here doing a tour, and I must say, some of the Greek food is pretty good. You know I'm a picky eater, but it's pretty good.
Like the sausage is different.
I can't complain.
Yeah, that's the sausage is good.
Tracy, what do you think?
Just like a jerky maybe?
It's been good.
Jerky this too?
It's been fresh. We've had salad, olives, tzatziki sauce, bread, sausage, pork, meatballs, chicken, eggplant with rice and cheese in it. We had some mushrooms with bacon and cheese and onions. That was really good. But I think my favorite is the tzatziki sauce. I like it. James is not a fan.
I'm allergic to it, guys.
But overall, tour, check. food, check.
Oh, and we also got some wine, guys.
Yes, it came with wine and bottled water as well.
No complaints.
It's a white wine. It's dry, but it's pretty good.
I'm not even listening.
So yeah, overall, it's a good tour. I would recommend it. We got lucky. We had good weather. We have good company at our table. So it's the couple we're traveling with. They're from Maryland. There's a lady from Alaska, and there's another couple from Carolina, all at our table. So we've enjoyed the company as well as the good food and drinks.
So we'll bring you along with the rest of our journey, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.
So just as our meal is coming to an end, we look out the window and here's a ship coming in. I assume they're coming in. They might be leaving. I don't know. And this is MSC Fantasia.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So right now we're at Teppanyaki. So I always have issues with the names of places or whatever. Tracy has to reel me in. We're at Teppanyaki for a Japanese dinner.
Yep. And we'll let you know what we think, and we'll show you.
So we'll show you later. Bye. Fire! Fire! Fire!
Let's start with your vegetable. Everybody loves vegetable, right?
No.
Oh no.
No. We like fire.
Green zucchini.
We want fire.
Yellow squash.
Fire.
And orange banana.
No.
Yummy. Oh yeah, orange
What
banana.
happened to the fire? Okay. I'll take that.
Orange. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Alright, everybody, while waiting for your vegetable, I have Johnson & Johnson baby oil. Oh yeah.
Hi, Puffy. Go ahead, Puff. Go ahead, Puff Daddy.
Baby oil.
Puff Daddy.
Looks good, yeah? By the way, these two are 4 and 4. 4 and 4. Where you from over here?
From my mama.
Alright, how about you?
Oh, the DMV.
I got a feeling. It's not gonna be a good